I left and joined again later. It's still long as they gotta fix this or I'll tell my mommy. There's still like 15 seconds. There is literally no sound. This is for time speed. This summarizes the entire fight. He just spams roll, while not being able to heal midair. He just keeps running back to attack from afar. Now he's just running. I think he gave up here. For months of waiting just to run away. I still don't know what this third impact move is, but I keep trying to use it. Then I got bugged because 3 months wasn't enough to fix a already released Kaiju. Mothman is hard to get to and hard to win with. I wouldn't expect this from a Kaiju who needs the best Kaiju in the game by far to get to be like this. And then I get my kill stolen by Mr. Beast. I don't know why I chat named it Mr. Beast. Roars don't work, so I sped this up. Just as ugly as it was last November. I love him. Look how this 10x footage shows how useless the Regan system is when I have Regan effects with Regan normally, and it still takes multiple minutes to get half HP. This game is extremely boring to me, but I won't mind making more videos about Kaiju Universe updates. I still like Project Kaiju more, but I still think Loading Screen Universe is pretty good. Now I won't post for another 8 months.
Yeah.